Hey guys, Nick Nystrom here, Tyler Stevens from Dronography, Iowa. We're out here at Hinterland 2019. We're here doing the live drone feed. So as everyone out here is watching the bands this weekend, we're gonna be taking it to the air, taking our drones out here and be able to cover all the ground, and you're gonna see it right there on that live video board too. A little bit about us, we got started about 5 years ago. Started doing drones before really things were regulated. So we've been around since the beginning of this journey. Now we're here, we're doing all the festivals in the Midwest, and we're hoping to expand out into the East and West Coast doing these live festivals and the live drone feed too.
As I mentioned earlier, for the past several years we've been asked to do 8035 in Hinterland. So our role for today is we're going to do a lot of live video. We're going to do aerial shots. We also work with the organizers of the festival to get shots of all the parking lots, all the camping areas. So it's an additional service we provide to these guys, and it's very critical for them to determine if they need water stations or light stations in particular areas. Just another service we provide. We take it very seriously. We're also here to have an awesome time and have a blast.